I'm Mariana Pinces and I'm the founder and the owner of the Grapoila brand. I founded this company when I was 19 years old, and actually right now we are pressing 18 types of cold pressed oils, and we are working and processing every kind of seeds under our zero waste philosophy, which means that we use every byproduct, and we have this way gluten-free seed flours, seed butters, and also seed butter cosmetics. So we are thinking this way that whenever we have a byproduct, we have to give it more sense to use it and more added value to have a ready product which a consumer can use. So for example, these gluten-free flours are really good if you have an allergy or if you have some diet you do, and you can use them as a base flour, or you can use them in some kind of mixtures. But you can also use them if you just want some added color and flavor or something like that. And you can also use our oils in cookings. So for me, the most important thing in the oils is that they have really great taste and flavor. Not only that they are healthy, because they have a really high vitamin E content and unsaturated fatty acid content like omega-3 or omega-6, omega-9. But for me, the flavor is the most important thing, and I want to show you how you can gain from both effects, that they are flavorsome and they are really healthy. Today I will make a grissini, grapeseed flour grissini, which is a classic with a twist. And I will also make a hemp seed oil dip, which you can easily use when you have guests. Today I will make a really easy recipe, but with a twist, because we will use mustard seed flour onto the thighs, under the chicken thighs, and then grill it. Added to that, I will make a salad with mustard seed oil to be paired with the mustard seed flour, and mix it with some pumpkin seed oil. I will make a carrot cake in muffin form, totally gluten-free, with only one flour used in it, which is our sunflower seed flour. I will show you how easy to use it and how it can be used as a normal wheat flour. So there will be no difference, and the taste will be really great because it is matching with the carrot and all the flavors and all the spices that I will put in it.